Hello friends, so today what I'm going to talk about is I'm going to talk about the inbuilt market which is coming with the Steemit wallet. So we can consider it as a small cryptocurrency exchange which is to trade Steem with Steem dollars. So I'm going to explain you how to use that exchange. So when you go to your Steemit wallet, now I am in my Steemit wallet through my account. So here you can see the Steem balance, and this shows the Steem power balance, and this line shows the Steem dollars balance. So currently I don't have any Steemit dollars SBDs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Steem market, that's mean the inbuilt exchange which is coming with the Steemit wallet, to purchase some Steemit dollars. So I will explain you how to do that. So first click on the Steem balance, and after that you have to select the market. So let's click on market. So when you click on market, so you will arrive to this small exchange. So it's a simple cryptocurrency exchange for the Steemit users. So where users can use this exchange to convert their Steem to Steem dollars, or to convert their Steem dollars to Steem. Simply they can trade Steem and Steem dollars. So why this exchange is very much significant? So first reason is it's directly attached with the Steemit wallet, so the security is very high. At the same time, the most important factor is there is no trading fee for any of the trades which you do in this exchange. So let's look at this exchange. So at here you can see the last price, right? So the last price of an Steem was $0.159, and this shows the 24 hours trading volume. So when I'm doing this video, the trading volume is $5,263.66, and asking rates, bids and spread, everything is there. And you can use this part to buy Steem. That's mean you can sell your SBD and buy Steem. And if you have Steem and you want to sell them, you have to use this part, right? So currently it shows I have 270 Steems, and I don't have any SBD, and this line shows the highest bid, right? That's mean the highest rate currently someone is requesting to buy Steem, right? And this shows the lowest asked, right? So this is important if I am selling SBD, right, to buy Steem. That's mean you can see this value is here, right, and this value is here in sell orders, right? So this part shows the buy orders. That's mean people who are requesting Steem to purchase, and this part is showing the sell orders. That's mean it shows the orders by people who are willing to sell their Steem. And this part shows the trade story. So trade story history shows the recent trades which happened. So you can see before 1 minute ago there was a trade of 10 Steem with SBD. It was a selling one, right, for this rate. So like that you can find those information here. So it's very simple to use this exchange. So I will demonstrate you how to sell my Steem and purchase Steem dollars. So what you have to do is now so let's look at the buy order side. So this person is requesting 2.429 Steem for 0.391 Steem dollars. That's mean for the rate of this, right? So let's sell that for that rate. So I am selecting that rate. Yes, now it's there, 160952, and is requesting this amount. So I'm copying it and pasting, right? So I can buy this amount of Steem dollars, right? So what you have to do is just click on sell Steem, right? So there you will be asking a confirmation, right? Then press on it, click OK, and after that you have to give your active key or the owner key to initiate the trade, right? So that's very simple. Just paste your active key here or the owner key here, and then just click on sign in, so the order will be initiated, right? So that is simply how you have to use this inbuilt exchange which is attached with the Steemit wallet. So it's very simple. So it's very significant for the Steemit users. I think it's one of the exchanges I recently started to use after starting blogging with Steemit platform. So I welcome you all to try it, right? To convert your Steem to SBD, or to convert your SBD to Steem. Okay, thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask from me. Comment in the video or in the Steemit post. I will gladly help you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.